that we are not looking at any reductions in services into Wales or any reductions in station accessibility, and we'll be working with the UK Government and with Network Rail to that end. That includes Neath Station. Now, if we look at how you can improve journey times by whilst maintaining stations such as Neath on the mainline, you can first of all look at station improvements, you can look at signalling improvements, points improvements. It's a fact of the matter that the trains that are currently operating on the Great Western Line have the potential to travel up to 140 miles an hour. But because of poor signalling, poor points and so forth, those factors that I've already identified, too many level crossings, there's only one point on the entire line that they're able to travel at 125 miles an hour. So before you even look at the major components of rail infrastructure, you should first look at signalling, points and crossings in order to improve the speed at which trains can travel. That would reduce journey times between London and Cardiff and beyond into West Wales before any consideration would need to be given to the actual track or stations. So I can say we're not looking at any reductions. We don't just wish to protect stations and services and the provision of services to stations in Wales. We wish to see them enhanced, and that includes to Neath Station. In terms of the promotion of a national railway, I'm